Hi, I'm Vincent Baby, your business excellence coach. Welcome all of you to Ends or Life. In this episode, we are going to bring a new topic. It is business reboot. This micro learning session is delivered by Mr. Jacob John, who is a business success coach. Hope you will enjoy this session. Thank you very much.
Hi friends, I'm Jacob. Good to see you all again. Today I just thought of sharing some information regarding post-COVID information for employers and employees. Um, Now what we need to do is employers should be actually more considerate with the employees that they have. See, all are going through some issues, right? We all have financial issues. Employers should at least, bring them back on a minimum salary. Okay, it's not that we build up overheads on the minimum salary. Motivate them, give them targets, but be considerate when you give them targets. For the employees also, they should also keep in mind that the company needs to grow again from scratch, so they need to achieve their targets. Whatever little business that they get is good. Employers, this reminds me of an incident which I would like to share with you. When I was working in Dubai, there was this place called Bar Dubai. We used to travel by boat to other place, and I used to see one Gujarati young guy sitting in a small room with a telephone, who was into imports and re-exports. And you won't believe, I used to always ask him. He was just studiously to sit there from morning 7 till evening 8 9. You sit there only. You always find him there with a cup of tea and some papads with him, and phone in front of him. It was the age of pagers and phones, so he used to always have it. And he was always pages, always some messages coming to him, and also we used to always be on the phone. And it so happened that when I was sitting there, he got a call. He had imported some garments from India, and he got a call from Iran asking for some quotation for some shirts. So the ship was on the way to Dubai, and he got the ship diverted towards Iran, the same goods. So I asked him what was his interest in that. He's saying, see, I was going to gain a little percent, 0.75% when I bring it to Dubai, but since he diverted to Iran, he got another 0.25%. So his margin of profit was just 1%. It's called turnover business. So he's saying, Jacob bhai, turnover business is the best business you can have. Don't go for big profits. You will build up slowly. So today, recently I was in touch with him. He's one of the biggest businessmen in Dubai right now. So he built up his business over the span of 5 to 10 years. Same way we are also going to build a business in a not a long period of time, but in a very short span of time. It will take some time, but the employers have to keep in mind that they need to support each other, get them motivated, be with them, walk together, talk together, spend some more time together, and understand each one has to grow. This world is always going to have some kind of difficulties. We're going to have this kind of things always. It could be a virus, it could be something else, it could be a war, but things are going to move on. Okay, so that's the message for today. Spend maximum time on energy on finding out new ways of doing business. Find some more ways, innovative ways of doing business. See how you can change the interiors to bring in more customers. Re-strategize yourself, rethink yourself, reimagine. So all these things you start doing on. This is the right time for you. The next 2 months, focus on that. I'm sure we're going to come back strong. So again, thank you, friends. Happy learning. Have a great day.